Hi guys, I'm Anne Freimark and I'm the team programmer here at the Amy Sanders Library. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very delicious chocolate cake in a mug. So all you need is a mug, a very large one. Make sure to check the bottom and make sure it says microwave safe. We don't want any exploding mugs today. The other stuff you'll need is some sugar, some chocolate chips, some veggie oil, baking powder, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, salt, milk, and flour. And then of course you'll need either a spoon or if you have a little baby whisk, You'll also need a tablespoon measuring thing as well as a little 1/4 teaspoon. So take a moment now and gather all of your materials. Alright guys, now that you've gathered all your materials, the first thing you're going to do is grab your tablespoon and you're going to get 3 tablespoons of flour. And you just put it straight into the mug. The next thing you're going to get is 3 tablespoons of sugar. And again, we're just putting this all straight into the mug. Next, you're going to get 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then you're going to grab your 1/4 teaspoon and get 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and put that right on top. And then next you're going to get just a pinch of salt. Put that straight on top. And then go ahead and give that bit of a stir. Doesn't have to be super perfect, because now we're going to add our wet ingredients. So next we're going to add our milk. And you'll need 3 tablespoons of that. And then next you're going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then just a hint of vanilla extract. I'm just going to freehand that a little bit, but if you want, you're welcome to use the 1/4 teaspoon. And then you're going to take either your baby whisk, or if you have a fork, that's totally fine too. And we're just going to whisk it and stir it all together so it's nice and well combined. So we see we got a nice gooiness going on. And then once we're really kind of nice and well combined, we're going to add our chocolate chips. And you're going to add about 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips. And then you're going to stir it in a little more. Okay. Once that's stirred pretty well, shake off any extra from the whisk or your fork. And then this can be kind of messy, so if you got a lot of extra ingredients that are kind of hanging out, not actually in with the rest of the batter, kind of take a wet paper towel and just kind of wipe it clean. All right, and then the only next step is you take your mug to the microwave and you're going to zap it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Alright guys, now that your chocolate cake has cooked for 1.5 to 2 minutes, I always put it on for 1.5 minutes and then check it. If it looks like it's still not cooked all the way, go ahead and put it on for another 30 seconds. You get it from the microwave. And so you can see it's all nice and cooked. And all you do now is, if you happen to have some whipped cream or vanilla ice cream at home, definitely add that to it. And then all you need is your fork. Get a nice big bite. Ooh, it's hot. Be very careful with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today and have a great day.